Hey guys, today let's learn how to create art with Leonardo AI. So if you could go ahead and create your own art decors or basically anything that you see, basically art is going to be subjective, so whatever you guys see beautiful or aesthetically pleasing to you, or if you have that artistic eye, you could easily go ahead and do that and make that on Leonardo AI. So go ahead and launch the browsers of your phone, and I want you to search for the leonardo.ai website. Now once you're already here, let's tap on this three lines option and let's tap on launch app. Now this is going to prompt you to log into your account, so go on over and create an account or log in if you already have one created, and then let's go ahead and tap on this three lines again on the top right corner. Now let's tap on AI image generation, and I want you to proceed. As you see here, we have the option to create our own images using Leonardo AI. So in the case that you want to go ahead and create art, just go ahead and use your creative imagination, or if you do have some inspiration from other artists, some Renaissance artists or some contemporary artists out there, go ahead and just describe what that specific art form and art style is going to be looking like for you and type it in the prompt right here. Of course, you could also choose the fine-tuned model depending on your liking as well, and there is going to be a bunch of different styles available for us to choose. You do have a custom model and a lot of different presets available over here. If you choose different styles, it's also going to give you different results. So I'm going to choose maybe RPG 4.0 to see what specific result is that going to give me. You could also choose this style, and the default is going to be Leonardo style. Next, I'm going to type in the prompt now, and let's say that we want a contemporary art decor piece for living room. So that's very not specific prompt, and let's see what Leonardo AI is going to generate for me. So you could also go ahead and edit your own prompt to make it more specific and depending on your liking, and basically whatever Leonardo AI generates, you could actually use that as art, and you could go ahead and fine-tune your prompt so that you could get more specific results as well. And as you see, we do have some, well, art over here we could actually use as for inspiration, or, well, take the photo as itself and take it to Photoshop or basically a decor printing shop so that they can print the image for you and create that art physically, or you could also make it digitally and post it on anywhere you prefer to post it. And that's basically for all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.